How to stop being angry at your ex. Why can't I let go of anger and pain towards my abusive, narcissistic ex? How do I let go? You do this by realizing that this is actually anger at yourself for having been naive. The only way to leave something behind is to advance yourself. As long as you are in the same place, you are stuck in the same story. Accept your anger at yourself, then make peace with yourself, forgive yourself, then work on your naivete and what causes it. If possible, with the help of a therapist, but only one who is savvy in narcissistic disorder, or they'll lead you astray. Because the human mind is not able to focus on two things at the same time, the busier you are focusing on yourself, then the less you'll think of him or her. When you are in a much better place, when you realize this can't happen to you again because now you're much wiser and more healed, you start seeing new opportunities on your path which demand your full attention, so there's even less remembering the past until one day you are surprised to notice you haven't thought back about that unfortunate episode in some time. As for the narcissist, try to deeply internalize that this was, sadly, a sick person and that you are lucky to be completely free of them. Then each of the things they said and did, rather than haunt your mind, will be just one more boring example of the same sickness and will come, but will leave your mind swiftly. Soon you will just feel some fleeting pity in the rare short moments you remember them. In the end, you'll only be reminded when you see a friend or family member going through something similar, or overhearing something that someone else is going through. And you will be happy to share your positive experience on how you let go of anger and pain towards an abusive, narcissistic ex, and how overcoming the experience has made you a much richer, stronger, and resourceful person. This is Chris Meyer, family law attorney for Houston. I represent clients in cases involving domestic violence, custody, and divorce. I am not a licensed therapist, and this advice does not replace the advice of a licensed therapist. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to my channel.